Here is the armory of this base.
There are so many weapons! They are all experience points!
I found some for you and put them in there. Help yourself. I'm off. We have a room in the armory for you. Okay, go back to the armory.
No way!
Go to the training ground every morning by yourself. I'll be there waiting for you. Wait, you can take the gun. You fixed it, so you have it.
Okay.
Do your best to survive.
Haha! Lots of experience points! Awesome!
It's been almost 3 months. Is this all you've achieved?
Do you think you know what I've achieved?
Lin Wixian has applied several times to dissect you. The organization wants to wait. They didn't approve of this application. But as you are now, do you think the day is far off? That's what I thought.
Web novel comics, never so easy.